In this video, I am going to show you how you can switch to professional account on Facebook. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open Facebook. Now click on your profiles icon and then right next to this edit profile option, you will see these three dots. So click on it. So here you will notice that there is no option to enable the professional mode. And this is mainly because my profile is currently locked. So you have to make sure that your profile is unlocked. So click on this unlock profile option, click on unlock your profile, and that's it. My profile is now unlocked. So if I click on these three dots now, you can see that the turn on professional mode option is now visible. So click on it. And then all you have to do is to click on this turn on option, and that's it. In this way, you can turn on professional mode on your Facebook. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.